Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 30 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I am going to solve problem number 1915, that is number of wonderful substrings. Okay. So here in this problem we have given one string. Okay. And we have to calculate the total number of wonderful substrings. Okay, so what is a wonderful substring? Okay, so wonderful string is a string where at most one letter appears an odd number of times. Okay, so in this example, okay, C C J J C. Okay, so C is appearing 3 times and J is appearing 2 times. Okay, so C is the only character which is appearing odd number of times, right? There is only one character which is appearing odd number of times, right? So this is our wonderful string. Okay, and AB, so both A and B are appearing 2 times, that is even number of times. Okay, so this string is wonderful, right? But here AB is not wonderful string. Why? Because A is appearing 1 time, that is odd time, and B is also appearing 1 time, odd time. Okay, so 2 characters are appearing odd times. Okay, so this is not a wonderful string. Okay, because our wonderful string is a string where at most one letter appears an odd number of times. Okay, so I hope that this line is clear. Then we have given a string word that consists of first 10 lowercase English letters. Okay, so only first 10 from A to J. Okay, and we have to return the number of wonderful non-empty substrings in word, and if the same substring appears multiple times in word, then count each occurrence separately. Okay, so see here, what does this line mean? See here, A is appearing here at this position, so we are counting this A, and A is also appearing at this position, so we are counting this A as well. Okay, B, we are counting B 2 times as well, right? Okay, so we are counting each occurrence separately. Okay, and what is substring? A substring is a continuous sequence of characters in a string. Okay, so here you can't use brute force here in this problem. So by brute force I mean to say that first we are going to find all the substrings, and after finding all the substrings we are going to count the occurrences of each character, and after counting the occurrence of each character we are going to count how many odd numbers are there. Okay, how many characters which are appearing odd number of times. Okay, and if it is just one time, then we have to return wonderful string. But you will definitely get time limit exceed error. Okay, by using brute force. Okay, so now let's see how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so let me copy one example here. Let me copy example number 1, ABA. Okay, so this is example 1 given to us, right? So here first of all we are going to use XOR operation. Okay, XOR operation here. So yesterday also we solved one question related to XOR itself, right? So same way today also we are going to solve this problem using XOR only. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, okay, so let's say this bit value is A. Okay, this bit value is B, this bit value is C, this bit value is D, this bit value is E. Okay, so same way na. So here A 1 2 4 8 16, this is how we represent our bit values, right? If this bit is set, then that means value is 1. Okay, if this bit is set only and all other bits are 0, then that means this bit value is 2 only. Okay, so here I am just going to write A, B, C, D, E, all the lowercase letters in the form of bits. Okay, so how I am going to write A? So A, I am going to write A like this: 1 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is how I am going to write A. Okay, and how I am going to write B? So I am going to write B like this: 0 0 0 1 and 0. And how I'm going to write, okay, if let's say if C is there, then how I'm going to write C? So I'm going to write C like this, right? Okay, and if D is there, then how I'm going to write my D? So I'm going to write my D like this. Okay, so this is how I am writing these characters in form of bits. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, this is a string given to me, right? A, B, A. Okay, so I'm going to write here A, then my B, and then A. Okay, and I have to calculate the wonderful substrings. Okay, so how I'm going to do this? So first I'm going to use hash map here. Okay, so I'm going to use hash map here. So let's say this is my map. Okay, and initially, let's say there are two numbers. Okay, there is one number. Okay, one. So how I'm going to represent one? I'm going to represent one like this, 0 0 1. And if I do the XOR of any number with 0, okay, if I do the XOR of any number with 0, then what is the result? Okay, 0, I'm going to write it like this. So result is 1 only in that case, right? Right, so I hope that this is clear. If I do the XOR of any number with 0, then in that case my result is the number itself. Okay, so this is one of the XOR operation. Okay, so initially this is my map. Okay, and here I'm going to store my keys, and here I'm going to start my values. Okay, so first initially I'm going to do the XOR of this character A with 0. Okay, so here let's pass my initial key, that is 0. Okay, so let's add this 0 here, 0 0 0. Okay, or simply I can okay, so let's write it like this for the easiness. Okay, this simply means 0 only. Okay, so here I am writing 0 as one time. Okay, so because I am going to do the XOR of 0 with A. Okay, so this 0 simply means this 0. Okay, 0 0 0 0. Okay, okay, so now I am going to do the XOR of 0 with this A. Okay, so what is the result? Okay, so the result is A itself, right? And result is A, right? Result is A. Okay, 0 0 0. And how I'm going to write A? I'm going to write A is like this. And what is the result? Result is this one only, right? Because we know 0 XOR 0 is 0, 1 XOR 1 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, and 1 XOR 0 is 1. Okay, so if both the numbers are same, okay, both the bits are same, like in this case, right, then we are just returning 0. Okay, if any bit is different, okay, one bit is 0 and one bit is 1, then in that case we are returning 1. Okay, so this is a normal XOR operations, right? So now I did 0 XOR A, then what is my result? So here I am going to write my result. My result is 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is my result, right? So tell me, this 0 0 0 1 is there in my map? No, it is not there in my map. Okay, so here I am going to check for the result. Okay, result is equal to result plus the number of times that this key is available in my map. Okay, so this key is not available yet. Okay, so result is equal to result plus 0. Initially my result is 0 only, so overall result is 0 right now. Okay, this is done. Result is 0 only. Okay, then after that, what our question is saying, that our string consists of first 10 lowercase English letters. Okay, first 10 lowercase English letters. Okay, so now do one thing here. I'm going to check for all the characters between 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10. I'm going to do the XOR of this my mask. Okay, this is bit mask. Okay, I'm going to do the XOR of this number. I'm going to do the XOR of this number with all the numbers from A to Z, A to J. Okay, A to J. Okay, I'm going to do the XOR of all the numbers. Okay, so how I'm going to represent A? Okay, how I'm going to represent A? So first I'm going to do the XOR of this number with this number A. Okay, so when I do the XOR of these numbers 0 0 0 0 1, then I am going to get the result as 0 only. Okay, and now this 0 is available in my map. Okay, this 0 is available in my map, and how many times it is available? one time. Okay, so I'm going to update my result as 1. Okay, and after getting this 1, I have to just put this value in my map. Okay, 0 0 0 1, and how many times it is pairing? 1 time. Okay, I have added this. Okay, just make a note of it. I will tell you later why we are doing this. Okay, so just make a note of it. But what are the steps that we are following? So first I did the 0 XOR A, then the result remains itself A only, and then we check if this key is available in my map. If okay, it is not available, so result plus 0 is 0 only. Then after that I am doing the XOR of all the numbers from 0 to 10 with this A. Okay, A XOR A. So same way, if you do the A XOR B, okay, this is my bit. Okay, this is my A. I have to do the A XOR with B now. Okay, 0 0 1 0. So then my result is 1 1 0 0. Okay, so this is not available in my map, so I don't need to do anything. Okay, here I am just adding the mask. Okay, so if I do this with B C D E F G H I J, so I'm not going to update my result, because okay, every time I'm going to get the different values, and these values are not available in my map. Okay, this is done. Then after that I'm going to do the XOR of this result mask. Okay, this is a mask, right? I'm going to do the XOR of this one with B. Okay, so if I do the XOR of 0 0 0 1 with B, okay, then what is my output? 0 0 0 1 with B, 0 0 1 0. So what is my output? 1 1 0 0. Okay, so I am going to write 0 0 1 1 here. Okay, 0 0 1 1 here. Okay, this is clear. Now tell me, what are the steps we are following now? I am going to check this 0 0 1 1 is there in my map or not. So it is not there in my map. Okay, it is not there in my map. This is done. After that, result is equal to result plus this, how many times this is appearing in map. So this is not there in my map, so result remains 1 only right now. Okay, there is no change in result. After that, I am going to compare this result 0 0 1 with all the numbers from, with all the characters from A to B. Okay, so for A, what is the value? Okay, first I am going to do the XOR of this number with A. So let's do the XOR of this number with A, 0 0 0 1. Okay, so now I am doing the XOR of this number with A. So what is the result? See, result is 0 1 0 0. Okay, this is the result, but this is not available in my map. Okay, so I don't need to do anything. Okay, result, I don't need to do anything. Then after that, I'm going to do the XOR of this same number 0 0 1 1 with B. Okay, so now I'm going to do the XOR of this number with B. Okay, so XOR of 0 0 1 1 with B. Okay, so what is the result that I'm going to get this time? 0 0 1. Yes, this key is there in my map. Yes, it is there in my map. And how many times it is there? 1 time. Okay, so in the result I have to add this one. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, what does this mean? This 2, what does this mean? This means that I have found 2 substrings. One, when I get the result as 1, that simply means that I have found 1 substring A. Okay, now I get a result as 2. That simply means that I have got these 2 results, A and B. Okay, A and B. Okay, now same way I am going to do the XOR of this B bit with C. Okay, so if I am going to do this with the C, then every time I am going to get some different value. Okay, and these values are not available in my map. Every time you can do it yourself. Okay, with you can do the XOR of this number with C, D, E, F, G. Every time you will get one number. Okay, and that bit is not there in map. Okay, so we don't need to do anything. Okay, so once this is done, then after that we have to just add this bit, put this bit in our map. Okay, so I am going to add 0 0 1 1 in my map, and how many time it is there? Just 1 time. Okay, this is done. Okay, 0 0 1 I have 0 0 1 1 I have added, and values 1 time. Okay, now after that I am going to do the XOR of this 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 with A. And what is the value of my A? This is the value of A, right? 0 0 0 1. Okay, so what is the output? 0 1 0, right? This is output. Okay, I'm doing the XOR of this number B, this number, okay, A and B, 0 0 1 1 with A. So I am now getting the result as 0 0 1 0. This is the result I am getting, right? 0 0 1 0. So now same way I have to check if this number is there in my okay, so here I have to check whether this number is there in my map or not. Okay, so this number is not there in map. Okay, so now in the result I'm going to add result plus if this number is there. So its number is not there, so 0 0 1 0 only I'm going to write. Okay, 0 0 1 0. Okay, so now see it carefully. Now after this 0 0 1 0 I have to do the XOR of all the numbers. Okay, XOR of all the numbers from A to Z with this number. Okay, so first I am going to do the XOR of A. Okay, so first I am going to do the XOR of A, 0 0 0 1. So what is the result? Result is 1 1 0 0. Okay, I am doing the XOR with A. So this number is available. This number is available in my map 0 0 1 1, right? And how many times it is there? One time. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so I am now getting the output is 3. Okay, so that 3 simply means I have counted this A, this B and this A. Okay, this is done. I have found the result as 3. Okay, then after A I have to do the same thing with B, right? So now instead of A, let's do the B. Okay, let's do it for B. So A 0 0, B is like this, right? So now I am going to get output as 0 0 0, right? So this 0 0 0 is already there in my map. Okay, so I am doing the XOR of this number with the B, and again I am getting the result 0 0 0 0, and this 0 0 is there in my map. Okay, and how many times it is there? One time. So 3 plus 1, now it will become 4, right? And this 4 simply means that I have found this new value. Okay, this new value A B A. Okay, so here why I'm saying that I have found this ABA. Okay, so I have found that I am getting a result as 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is my starting point now. Okay, so here 0 0 0 is starting point. Okay, so after that I have found one string, wonderful string, right? Because okay, so see why I am using this 0 10. Why I am using this? This is only used to find the wonderful strings in which there is only one odd character. Okay, so here I am getting result 0 0 0. This simply means that after 0 0 0 there is one string in which there is only one odd character. Okay, this is the meaning of this one. Okay, and okay, so I hope that this is clear. Okay, so first time when I did the XOR of this 0 0 1 0 with A, then what was the result that I get? When I did the XOR of 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 with A, okay, this was with B, but when I did it with A, so what was the result that I get? So this was the result that I get, right? 0 0 1 1. Okay, 0 0 1 1. So 0 0 1 1 is equal to 1. So that simply means after this B there is one string. Okay, that is why I was saying A. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Okay, so let's quickly understand this with one more example here. So let's say this is a string given to us BAA. Okay, BAA. Okay, so here let's suppose I did the XOR of this 0 and B. Okay, so then what is the result that I'm going to get? 0 1 0. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear how I'm going to get this 0 1 0. Okay, so initially in my map only 0 0 is there one time, and now when I did the XOR of 0 with this B, then I'm going to get this result 0 1 0, and right now this 0 1 0 is not there in my map. Okay, so I'm not going to add anything in my result. Then after that I'm going to do the XOR of 0 1 0 with all the numbers from all the characters from A to Z. Okay, so when I'm going to do the XOR of 0 1 0. First I'm going to do the XOR of 0 1 0 with A. Okay, 0 0 1. So what is the result that I'm going to get? I'm going to get the 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, this is the result that I'm going to get. Okay, but this is not in my map, so I don't need to do anything. Then I'm going to do the XOR of 0 1 0 with B itself. So I'm going to write B like this, 0 0 0. This is the result that I'm going to get. Okay, so this 0 0 is already there, so now my result will become 1. Okay, my result will become 1. That simply means I'm starting from 0 0 0 now. That simply means I'm checking until here. Okay, until there. That simply means that after 0 0 0 there is one string which is wonderful, and this string is available odd number of times. Okay, this string is available odd number of times, right? That is why I'm going to get this update in this update. Okay, I'm updating the result after applying this formula na, 0 to j, 0 to 10. Okay, I am checking for the result total 2 times, right? Okay, total I am checking for the result total 2 times. First, when I get this value, then I am checking whether this is available in my map or not. If this is not available in my map, then I am checking whether it is appearing odd number of times. And for odd number of times, I am going to run one loop from A to J. Okay, that is 0 to 10, and then I am checking if I am doing the XOR of this bit with the all the characters from A to J, and if I get any key matching, then that simply means that after that key there is a string in which there is one character which is appearing odd number of times. Okay, so this is the simple meaning of this. Then after that I am going to do the okay, so I am going to add this 0 1 0 again in my map. Okay, this is the next step that we are performing, appearing one time. Then I'm going to do the XOR of B and A, so I'm going to get the result as 0 1 1. Okay, 0 1 1. B XOR A is nothing but 0 1 1. Okay, so now see, 0 1 1 is there in my map or not? It is not there, so there is no update in my result. Okay, now I have checked for this string. Okay, simply means I have checked for this string BA. Okay, so this is not valid. Okay, now after that what okay, so here see, BA I'm going to get the output as 0 1 1. Okay, that simply means this is not there in my map, so there is no update in my result. Okay, after that I'm going to compare this 0 1 1 with all the numbers from A to J, all the characters from A to J. So first let's do with A. Okay, so what is the result that I'm going to get? 0 1 0. So this 0 1 0 is already there in my map. Okay, so that simply means that I'm going to get this output A. Okay, so I'm going to update my result as 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, so after 0 1 0, this simply means that after 0 1 0, okay, this 0 1 0 value is 1. So after 0 1 0 I get one more wonderful string. Okay, so first I get this B, then after that I get A. Okay, now same way let's do this with for B, 0 1 1 plus B. Okay, I am adding B. Then what is the result that I'm going to get? 0 0 1. Okay, this is not there in, so I don't need to do anything. Similarly you can do for C, D, E, F, G, you are not going to get any update. Okay, so now see here, now from this value I am going to do this XOR of 0 1 1 with the A. Okay, so what is the result that I'm going to get? I'm going to get the result like this, 0 0 1, right? Sorry, I'm going to get the result like this, 0 1 1 XOR of A. I'm going to get the result as 0 1 0. Okay, so now see one thing, 0 1 0. Okay, so this is the result that I'm going to get, 0 1 0. Okay, this is the result. So now see here, after that I'm going to check okay, result is good, result plus if this key is there in my map. Okay, so now see, this 0 1 0 is already appearing, this 0 1 0 is already there, so my result will become 3 in the outer side. Okay, in the 3 only. Okay, my result will become 3. After that, inside that I'm going to I'm going to do the XOR of this 0 1 0 with all other numbers. Okay, so first I'm going to do the XOR with A. So after XORing the number with A, so I'm going to get the output as 0 1 1. Okay, and this is already there. See, it is already there. I forgot to add previously, but it is already there. Okay, so 0 1 1. Okay, so that simply means that after this B I'm going to again get one value, BAA. Okay, then I'm going to do the XOR of this 0 1 0 with B, 0 1 0. Okay, then again I'm going to get output as 0 0. This simply means that after this 0 0 there is one more wonderful string. That's it, BAA. Okay, so we get our output total 4, right? BAA, total output as 4. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. And one more thing here, see, for B I was getting the sum as 0 1 0. For A, when I did the XOR from B to A, then I am getting this result 0 1 1. And for A, when I did the XOR of this 0 1 1 with this A value, then I am getting this result 0 1 1 1 0 1 0, right? So see here, this is here I am getting 0 1 0, and here also I am getting 0 1 0. So that simply means that this is a even, this is a even characters, even number of characters in this particular string. Okay, so this is my wonderful string. Okay, even number of characters are there. Okay, because here I was getting 0 1 0, and again I am getting 0 1 0. That simply means that, let's say there is one number, let's say the number is like this 3, and then plus 6 minus 6. Okay, this is a number, something like that. Okay, this is one number. Okay, so here my total sum is 3, then here my total sum is 9, then here my total sum is 9, 9 minus 6 is 3, then here let's suppose there is one more number. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, let's say this is like this. Okay, 3 plus 6 9, and then 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, so here my number was 3, and again I am getting the number as 3. So that simply means that in this part of sum my total sum is 0. Okay, in this part my total sum is 0. Okay, so first my number is 3, then 3 plus 6 it will become 9, and 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, so here I was getting the sum as 3, and again I am getting the sum as 3, right? So that simply means here I was getting some 3, and here I am again getting some as 3. So that simply means that after this 3 there is no change in my string, there is no change in the values. Okay, there is no change in total sum, because this part is giving me the again the same answer, which like old one. Okay, so I can simply say that this is 0 only, right? So same way, A XOR A is nothing but 0 only, right? A of XOR. Okay, A is like this. Okay, A is like this, then this will give 0 only, right? So this is how we can check if the question, if question asks for the number of wonderful strings are those in which, okay, all the characters are appearing even number of times. Okay, so now this is the first case. Okay, then after that for whole string, how I am checking for BAA. Okay, for whole string I am getting one cumulative sum. Okay, what is the sum that I am getting? 0 1 0. Okay, 0 1 0 is the sum that I am getting at this position. Okay, so now after that I am doing the XOR from all the numbers from A to J. Okay, so first I do the XOR from A with A, then after that I do the XOR of this number BAA with B. Okay, XOR simply means that I am joining, okay, these two numbers. So see, this will give me the answer, right? B is one time, 2 is A time, A is 2 times, and then B is again, okay, so B 2 times and A is also 2 times. So this is going to give me the answer. Okay, and so that is why when I am running the loop from 0 to J, that simply means that I am checking if there is any string in which there is one character that is appearing only one time. Okay, so in BAA there is a character B which is appearing odd number of times. Okay, there is only one character which is appearing odd times. And how I calculate this? By adding B, I check if this is a wonderful string or not. Okay, by checking B, if it is giving me the any answer, that simply means that it will become a wonderful string. Okay, so I hope that. Okay, now let's write the code. I'm going to write the same story. Okay, so here first of all, let's store the result. Okay, this is long. Okay, let's store the result in long variable only. Long result is equal to 0, and let's take the mask value. Int mask is equal to 0, and then create one map of integer. Okay, I am going to store integer only. Integer map is equal to new hash map. Okay, this is done. Okay, initially in the map I am putting this value, right? Initially in the map I am putting this value, right? So here I am going to write map dot put value 0, and what is the count? 1. Okay, this is what I am putting here. Okay, G value 0 and count 1. Okay, this simply means 1. Okay, this simply means 2. Okay, so I hope that this is clear. Okay, now I am going to iterate over each character in my word array, word string. Okay, word to, let's convert it to char array. Okay, this is done. Then after that, let's find the index, char index. Okay, char index. Okay, so how I'm going to find the char index? Like A is available at 0th index, B is available at 2 index. Okay, so here I am storing the values like this, na, 0, 1, 2. So this simply means A, this simply means B. Okay, so can I write it like this? My current character minus A. Okay, so for A it is going to give me 0, for B it is going to give me 1. Okay, and how I am going to create the mask for this one? Okay, so mask is nothing but mask XOR of. Okay, so initially I'm going to do the XOR of each character with 0. Okay, initially my mask is 0, so mask XOR, and I have to do the XOR with, so here I get the index 0. Okay, so if I do like this, 1 left shift this char index, that simply means 0 0 0 1, right? Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. What does this line mean? Okay, okay, this is a line, right? So I am writing A like this. Okay, A like this. Okay, A like this. So how I'm getting the value? A like this. Okay, so char index, initially my character is A. Okay, so A minus A is nothing but 0. So here 1. How I'm going to write 1? 1 is write like this. Okay, and char index is 0 only. Okay, so this remains 0 0 1 only, na? So mask is 0 0 0 XOR of this 0 0 1. Okay, so this is what's happening. Okay, so if for B I'm going to get the index as char index as 1. Okay, so if I do for 1 I'm going to write like this. Okay, this is my 1, and if I left shift 1 by 1, then it is going to look like this 0 0 1 0. Okay, that simply means my B. Okay, that simply means my B. 1 left shift by 1 simply means B. 1 left shift by 2 simply means my C. Okay, so this is the meaning of this line. Okay, then I have told you in the outer side we have to first check for the result. So result is equal to result plus map dot get or default. Okay, if this value is there, if this mask value is there, then simply add that in my result, otherwise just add 0. Okay, this is done. And then after that run one more loop. Okay, simply I can run from 0 to 10. Okay, int I is equal to 0 0 and I is less than 10. I is equal to 0 and I is less than 10. I plus plus, and here let's take one diff mask. Diff mask is equal to mask XOR. Okay, I need to do the mask of all the numbers, right, from A to J. Okay, so 1 XOR 0. Okay, simply 0. No, first we are going to do for 0 na, I. Let's pass I. So first 1 left shift by 0, that simply means my A. Then 1 left shift by 1 simply means my B with this mask. Okay, I am doing the mask again and again, right? So I hope that this line is clear. Then in the result I have to add result plus map.get.mask. Okay, here I have to write diff mask. Okay, here I am updating my result, and then after this for loop I have to add this key, right? Map.put So in the end I have to put this key in my map now. So m.map.put here my this key, that is my mask. Okay, mask, and here count map. Okay, so the counts that is stored in my map. So count map, that is nothing but map dot get dot default mask of 0. Let me copy this line. Okay, so it is going to get the count of this mask, whatever the count is there. Then in that count I am going to just add 1. Okay, and in the end we have to just return result. That's it. Okay, so here we are iterating over each character. Okay, so I am going to say my time complexity is going to be O of n, and here we are iterating a constant amount of times, right, of 10. So overall I can say that the time complexity for this problem is O of n. Okay, so now let's run the code. 1 second, this is going to give me error. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit the code. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing.